Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. It's a beautiful day here in Zone 7B. Thank you all for stopping by. We're going to just go along and see what's growing on in our garden. This is the beginning of July, and every month I'd like to take a little walk around the garden and see what we have growing on, any progress that's been made, and anything that needs correcting, and well, anything that just didn't make it. So we're going to head on over and get that done.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay, we are back, but before we get started walking around the garden, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and stopping by, hanging out with me in my garden. Take a second, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Don't forget to follow me over on Facebook, Container Crops, and IG, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Okay, I think that's it for our yard work today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start over here. This is my stevia. It's growing quite tall. And in the bottom here, I have a little bitty lemon tree that I need to take out of here and repot. It's time for it to have its own pot. Okay, so that is my stevia. Over here we have my rosemary and my oregano. It's going really well. I come out here and harvest and dehydrate it all the time. Here are my strawberries, and they are flowering and fruiting. Look at that, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh, they are doing really, really well. I came out here and I harvested some just the other day. Just the other day. Right next to it are my carrots. They're doing quite well. Nothing's ready yet down there, but they're doing just fine. Over here we have some navy beans, and for these we have to wait until they completely dry out, just like these down here. And when they become like this, where they're nice and dry, these are ready to be harvested. So I'm going to grab these while we're out here as well. Over here I have some Roma tomatoes. I've been harvesting quite a few each day. All of these that you see have some red on it. They did this overnight. So I'm definitely going to grab all of these off of here and let them finish ripening inside so that I will get them. I also have some purple peas down here. Look at the beautiful flowers. Purple green beans. They are very, very good. I've been harvesting quite a few, and they just keep on growing, and I'm not mad at it. Now right here we've got some corn. We've got some corn. We've got some corn. Look at this. This is an ear. Here's another ear coming over here, and more coming back there and down there. So we've got some corn in here. I've got purple corn and sweet. Over here I have some Swiss chard. As always, I always have some Swiss chard. Here are some large cherry tomatoes that I started from seed just a few weeks ago. I just went ahead. I've got plenty growing, but I just dropped a few seeds, and they seem to be doing really well. Really well. I have another Swiss chard back here that's going to seed, so I can get those. This is a beef steak tomato that I dropped seeds on at the same time that I dropped these large red cherry tomatoes. Over here, nothing's really going on. I see I've got some flowers down here finally. This is in here. I have one squash plant, and I have cucumbers in here, and those are the first flowers that I have seen so far. Lots of foliage. Oh, there's another flower right up here up top. I missed it. Look at that, look at that. Okay, so I guess something's happening. My little rescue blueberry, look how well it has grown. Now I harvested blueberries just the other day, so I don't think I really have any more out here right now. There's some more that are coming in down there. This is my larger blueberry bush. I harvested quite a bit off of it just the other day. I tried to get them all, so I don't think I have any out here right now. And this is my third blueberry bush. Same thing with it as well. And I have them uncovered just for the moment. Okay, and right here I have Swiss chard. Look at these leaves. Look how big that leaf is. Look how big that leaf is. Isn't that large? Look at that. They are doing fantabulous. And back here I have parsley. Lots and lots of parsley. Beautiful, beautiful parsley. I'm going to come and chop some of this down so I can get it dehydrated. And right here we have watermelon. We have watermelon. Now I planted 3 seeds, just 3, 1, 2, 3, and I took one out already. And this is what's still growing on. So we're going to see about watermelon this year. What's going to happen with it? Yes, want to go that through there so it can stay. All this right. Is another Roma tomato. They're just now starting to come out on this particular one. But these are my yellow currant. They're really more orange or red, but that yellow. I thought they were going to be actually yellow, but they are turning orange, more orange than yellow. But look at it. It is full of tomatoes. And I come out here, and this is about the amount that I harvest every single day, because I try to get them so that I can get them and let them ripen indoors. So these are all my yellow currant tomatoes. Lots and lots and lots. And like I said, I come out every day and harvest them. And this is a tomato. I can't remember what kind it is, but I'm going to grab it while I'm out here as well. And these are my peppers. These are jalapeno la bamba 2 peppers. They are delicious. I harvested some earlier. I just pretty much harvest these and take them and put them right in my freezer. This is the same thing, and it's starting to lean, so I'm probably going to stake it up a little bit later today or this weekend. It's been raining and storming quite a bit here lately, and so a lot of my plants that were standing up nice and tall are no longer standing up tall. But I've got lots and lots and lots of peppers all throughout here. All throughout here. Then I've got some more back here that this is I don't even remember what kind this is, but this is a pepper plant, and it's just now getting started. It is just now getting started. I've got some more flowers back here on some more pepper plants. Back here, I've got peppers growing everywhere. And this right here is a little bitty beefsteak tomato that I planted as well from seed just about a week or so ago, or a couple of weeks ago. And these down here, I have 10 pots down here, and they are apple trees. I am propagating apple trees. This one is the only one that I see nothing on so far. That one has 2 leaves that started. This one, if you look closely right up there at the top, it's starting. These are starting leaves. This one has a little bitty green right there. This one's doing really well. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And this one is trying to start. Here's another one. This one's doing really well. This one's doing good as well. I propagated 10. I just snatched cuttings from a tree. And I'm going to go over a detailed video of exactly what I did, because I'm getting ready to do some more. And I'll show you exactly what I did to get all these apple trees. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for today. Look at what I have harvested. You can see this. This is my daily harvest for today. And yes, I have been coming out here every day, grabbing all this stuff, my beans. Yes, these are some of my navy beans. I got a pile in the house already. So I just take them out of their shell and put them in an airtight jar until I'm through harvesting all of them and decide how I want to preserve them from there. Everything else, I could have harvested quite a bit more. I could have got my Swiss chard. I could have got some of my oregano and my parsley, but I like to come out here and get it when I'm getting ready to use it. If it's something I'm not going to preserve for long term, when I get ready to make my smoothie or my salad or whatever I'm going to do with my Swiss chard, I'll come out here and get it then. Well, same thing for my oregano and things that I dehydrate. Right before I get ready to dehydrate it, I like to come out here and get it. That way it doesn't sit around and I don't procrastinate. So, thank you all once again for coming and hanging out with me today in my Garden Zone 7B. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you want to join the channel, I'll leave a link at the end of that. You can join the Scaredy Cat crew and become a member with all the rest of us. We'd love to have you. And until next time, remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.